Did you know that nearly 90% of type 2 diabetes experience progressive insulin resistance? Despite medication, struggling to maintain a stable blood glucose can feel like a daily battle with constant monitoring and dietary restrictions. Today, we reveal 5 science-backed supplements that naturally optimize your diabetes management and support metabolic. Diabetes disrupts glucose homeostasis by impairing insulin secretion and the peripheral insulin sensitivity, leading to chronic hypoglycemia and a metabolic complication. Supplements may target pathways such as MPK activation, antioxidant defense, and insulin signaling to complement standard therapies. Even supports a specific nutraceutical to improve glycemic control, reduce oxidative stress, and mitigate inflammation in diabetic individuals. Berberine is a plant alkaloid that enhances glucose metabolism and improves insulin sensitivity, making it a potent natural anti-diabetic agent. It has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries to support metabolic health and lipid profiles. It activates AMPK in the liver and the muscle cells, reducing hepatic glycogenesis and increasing peripheral glucose uptake. Clinical trials show 20% reduction in the HbA1c over 3 months. Take 500 mg of berberine 2 to 3 times daily with the meals for optimal absorption. Monitoring gastrointestinal tolerance. Consider starting at the 500 mg once daily. Titrating up and review progress with a healthcare provider. Chromium picolinate is an essential trace element that enhances insulin receptor activity and glucose transfer, supporting improved glycemic control in insulin-resistant individuals. It potentiates insulin signaling by increasing insulin receptor phosphorylation and the gut-4 translocation. Meta-analysis report modest but significant reductions in fasting glucose and HbA1c. Supplement with a 200 microgram of chromium picolinate daily with the meal. Avoid doses above 1000 microgram due to potential renal strain. Alpha-lipoic acid, LAA, is a potent antioxidant that regenerates other antioxidants and reduces oxidative stress, which is elevated in the diabetic complications and insulin resistance. By activating the AKT pathways and MPK, LAA enhances glucose uptake in the muscle cells. Clinical trials demonstrate improved insulin sensitivity and reduced neuropathic pain. Take 600 mg of LAA once daily and an empty stomach to maximize bioavailability. Split into 300 mg doses if gastrointestinal discomfort occurs. Magnesium is a cofactor in over 300 enzymatic reactions, including those involved in insulin secretion and glucose metabolism. Deficiency correlates with a worse glycemic control. It modulates insulin receptor tyrosine kinase activity and reduces inflammation. Supplementation trials show improved fasting glucose, HbA1c, and HRMA in type 2 diabetes. Aim for a 300 to 400 mg of elemental magnesium daily. Glycinate or a citric form, which food separate from high-dose calcium to improve absorption. Vitamin D regulates insulin secretion and sensitivity. Via the vitamin D receptor in a pancreatic beta cell and a peripheral tissue, linking deficiency to proper glycemic outcomes. It enhances beta cell function and reduces systemic inflammation. Randomized trials report modest HbA1c improvement in deficiency individuals. Supplement 1000 to 2000 AU of vitamin D3 daily with a fat-containing meal. The impact of this nutraceutical hinges not only on the dose but also on the timing and the complementary pairings. For instance, taking berberine and curcumin picolinate with a carbohydrate-rich meal amplifies glucose-lowering effect by synchronizing supplement action with the postprandial insulin peaks. Likewise, splitting alpha-lipoic acid into morning and evening doses maintains a steady antioxidant protection, while pairing magnesium and vitamin D with the healthy fats boosts absorption. By strategically spacing and combining your supplements rather than swallowing them en masse, you optimize cellular uptake, minimize gastrointestinal stress, insulin resistance, impaired insulin signaling in the muscle and adipose tissue, reduces glucose uptake and it drives compensatory hyperinsulinemia, exacerbating beta cell stress. Oxidative stress. Excess reactive oxygen species damage pancreatic beta cells and vascular endothelium, promoting inflammation and insulin resistance. Chronic inflammation. Elevated cytokines from adipose tissue interfere with insulin signaling. Incorporating berberine, chromium, LAA, magnesium, and vitamin D can naturally bolster your diabetes management by targeting metabolic pathways. Combine this supplement with a healthy habit for maximum benefit and monitor your progress with a healthcare guidance. If you found this video helpful, like it, subscribe. Always consult a professional before starting new supplements.